In this video, we will going to take up one more problem on how to solve the problem on cylinders by using the AutoCAD software, the development of cylinder by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a vertical cylinder of base diameter is 50 mm and axis length 60 mm, which are perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP and passing through it on the top face. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder. So to do this, first we need to consider this the initial position. So to do that, first I will go for the AutoCAD screen. I will go for circle command and I will draw a circle of diameter. So specify center of circle. I selected some arbitrary point in the sheet and I will take the diameter. I will invoke the option D by typing the diameter as D and type the diameter of the circle as 50. So here we have the diameter of the circle is 50. Then I need to select this and go to Command CH and go to layer and make that layer as views layer. Then I need to divide this circle into 8 equal points. So to do that, so I will go for again divide, div is the command. Select object to divide, you select this circle and divide it into 8 points. So you give 8 points. Then I will go for a line command, draw a line at some distance and then take the height as 60. So go to offset O or click on this offset command. So type the distance as 60, select this line and offset it and go to line command, draw a line from this point. So which is that point? It's a point means always we go for a node. You just enable the node, it is already there. So you just click on this O snap, select this and take perpendicular to this. Again line, select this point perpendicular to this. Again node, select this point and draw perpendicular to this. Again node, perpendicular to this. Then again node, perpendicular to this. Once you do that, now we go for trim option. Go to trim, select this extreme point, extreme lines, which is not required for us. Once you do that, now I need to remove these points. I will go for command erase. You can see this is the erase command. Select this entire circle. Sorry, select this. Select from here. You take this, and also you select this. So we have taken including the circle, but I don't want to delete the circle. I will just go for here. You have a select objects option. Type R and enter. So here, once you do that, it is remove the object from selection. Now you can see instead of select objects, you have remove objects. Again, I will click on that circle. You just click on that. Okay, and then press enter key. So we will be removing the points. Then I will go for modify, go to split, break at point. Then you select on this line and click on this point. Again, you just select on this and click at this point now. Now, once you do that, from this point, you draw a line on either side by 45 degrees. So I will go for line, select some arbitrary point here. I mean, at the midpoint of the top, at the rate of, give some distance 100 less than minus 45. Minus because it is in the clockwise direction, the angle of measurement. Then I will go for trim, select this trim option. Then I want to take it on the other side. I'll go for mirror. You just click on this mirror command, select this line, select objects again, you just press enter key. Specify first point on the mirror line, the end of this, and take it on the vertical side. Select second point, you take some point. And when you are making the mirror, make sure that your ortho mode is on. You just take the cursor outside and just click because the ortho is on. So you will go to have the vertical line. So you just click on this, delete, erase source objects. If you say yes, then it will delete the source. If you, by default it is no, you just press enter key. So once you do that, so now you have this, and now I want to complete this particular portion. So how to do that? Let us see now. So I will go for a break at point. You select this line, break till here, then you break at this point now. Then again you just click on this, and you click on this. Sorry, yes. And similarly, you click on this line and this click on this line. Go to CH, go to layer, and make that as views now. Now we have the line. So go to line, draw a line from here at some distance. Similarly, from this side, I will take some distance and you click. So you go to select on these two lines and go to CH, go to layer, make that layer as XY line. So change it to layer XY. Then you just remove this. Now you come down to these things now. Dimension. Now you go to dtext, remove this ortho and O snap. So you take some point and take the distance as 3 height, and you keep this as capital X, and on this side it is capital Y, and on this side it is vertical plane, and on this side it will go to be horizontal plane. Okay. Now you go for zoom window. Then again you click on move, select this and move it here. Again the horizontal plane, you take it this and go to break on this side. So go to move, select this and keep it here. Then come down to zoom previous. And now I want Y. So go to break on this side. So go to move, select this and move it here. Similarly, on this side, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So many points I want. So to do that, I will go for D text. Since it is the front view, I will take it as 1 dash. Then I will have 2 dash. Then I will have 3 dash. Then we have 4 dash. Then you have 5 dash. Then you have 6 dash in bracket. Okay. Then you have 7 dash in bracket. Then you have 8 dash in bracket now. Then again go to zoom previous. Then go to zoom window. Now you go to move. Select 1 dash and keep this here. Then come down to 2 dash. Then you take this 8 dash here on this side. Similarly 3 dash. Then you have 7 dash. Okay. Then you have 4 dash. Then you have 6 dash. Then you have 5 dash now. Now go to zoom previous. Now I want zoom window. Next, bring it nearer to the screen. Now you go for keep the ortho on and O snap. Go to line, select endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line. Then again go to line, take endpoint and draw this horizontal line. Similarly, you take one vertical line here, go to fillet between these two now. Then go to trim this line till here. Then the distance is 157. I need to offset this by 157. So I will go to trim option and I will trim this line also. And then go to offset, type O or offset, take 157 and select this line and offset it here. Now go to fillet between this and this line, between this and this line. Now it is going out of the screen. So go to move, select this entire thing and remove the selection from here. Okay, I want to add again you are removing object. I want to select this also. You just go to A, add, select objects, you select this, then you take it out, then move it inside this. Okay, keep it wherever you want. Since you have divided the circle into 8 points, so I will divide this circle, this segment into 8 points. So to do that, I will go for divide. Okay, select object to divide, select this segment. Number of segments, what I want is 8. You just type 8. Then I will go for this snap on, go to line, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this. Again, line, node of this and draw perpendicular. So from each point you can do that. The one way is, and the other way is offset. You take the node of this to node of this and offset this. Take it out like this. This is also can be used. Now we go for erase. Select this entire thing in the window and remove that points. Now we go for zoom window, take nearer to the screen. Now I need to transfer all these things. I will go for line, select end of this to perpendicular to this. Then again line, intersection of this to perpendicular to this. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now I need to get this curve. So to do that, first I need to name them. So I will go for the text. I will start from 1. I will take this as 1. Then you come down to 2. Then you come down to 3. Then you come down to 4. Then we have 5. Then you have 6. Then you have 7. Then you have 8. Then you have 1. Now again go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen and go to move. Select this, move it here, then 2, then you come down to 3, then you come down to 4, then you have 5, then you move 6, then you take 8, 7, then you take 8, then you have 1. Now you go to draw, take these points now, which is spline fit. Okay, select this intersection point of this to intersection to intersection to this intersection to this intersection. Join all these points by using spline fit, then enter it. Now the next thing is I need to go back, then go to bracket point, go to modify bracket point. Then you just break this point till here, then you break this point till here. Okay, now you select this profile, then this one, and then from this one, and then from this, go to ch, then you go to layer, make that layer as views. Okay, then you write the text, select this and take the text height as 3, and here you write it as development. Enter. Now I need to do the dimensioning. To do the dimensioning, I will go for linear dimension. Take endpoint of this to endpoint of this and give the dimension as 157. Then you take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, you take it as 60. Then go to angular dimension between this line and this line, you make it as 45 degree. Okay, similarly on this side also. Then you have diameter dimensioning. Go to diameter, select this diameter, give the diameter as 50. Okay, so this is how you will be able to create the drawing of the development of the lateral surfaces of a cylinder by using AutoCAD software.